Good morning everyone, especially my viewers, my new viewers. Okay, today is June 27, 2019. So we are about to enter the month of July. So for now, I'm planning to cut my hair. I'm planning to have a white side wall haircut. So let's go to the barber there in our local market in Toboso. So guys, teleporta from here to the barber shop. Okay guys. Oh, diyan na ta mga guys, no. Diyan na ta magpa-alot. Pa-haircut na ta ni Joy Baluran Barber Shop dari sa Toboso Public Market. So let's go guys. Maghuwat na ta kay napay gi haircut. Parang dito sa mo. Ay, sildi. Diri deta. Makaro do. Diri deta. Gitu sa mo. After makuha ba? Hindi ka balik. Dili. Ano ka? White side wall, Joy. One, so go by 3. Ha? 2 by 3. Para nindot tanaw.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.
Buyate, grabe niya po mamatay.
Wala ko yung mga Manila, dito ka ng Manila.
Buyate po kayo.
Kailangan ganyan mo, ha?
Nya, sakay yung plano, ting ulan pa gino.
Ulan ko yun.
Ako no oray. I am now here in my headquarters. So guys, manako og haircut oh. Look, my new hair. Okay guys, unsa may inyong ikasulti, just comment down below, no, in my comment section. And to those new viewers, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, thank you very much and hasta la vista. God bless you all.
About humanity.